Hello, my name is Sandra Andrian. My identity number is 3210320065. This is my final exam in making a novel review, namely The Giver. I apologize for not wearing a campus uniform because I haven't taken it yet. The novel The Giver was created by Lois Lowry. The book was first published in 1993 and has become one of Lowry's best known works, winning numerous awards including the Newbery Medal. First, theme of the novel. 1. Control vs. Freedom. The society in this novel values control and predictability over individual freedom, sacrificing personal choice and emotional depth to maintain order. 2. Memory and the past. The importance of memory is central to the story. Jonas learned that without memory, there can be no true wisdom or emotional depth. The role of the receiver of memory is crucial in preserving the community's history and exercise. 3. Community and individuality. The society in the giver promotes sameness and discourages individuality. Jonas' journey highlights the importance of embracing one's unique qualities and the danger of extreme conformity. And 4. The complexity of emotion. The novel delves into the complexity and necessity of emotion. The community suppresses emotion to prevent pain, but this also eliminates true joy, love, and deep connection between people. 5. Ethics and morality. The ethical dilemmas faced by the character, especially Jonas, challenge the reader to think about the moral implication of society that eliminates suffering at the cost of individuality and emotional depth. 6. The role of memory human experience. Thoughts are process of retrieving memories. Jonas learned about the richness of human experience, including pain and pleasure, and the significance of having a personal and collective history. This then combined to a great thought-provoking narrative that questions the value of a controlled, painless existence versus the rightness of a life full of varied experience and emotion. Next, music. The Giver by Lois Lowry conveys them of individuality, the importance of memory, and consequence of a controlled, conforming society. Set in dystopian world where emotions are suppressed and choices are limited. The novel follows Jonas, a young boy who becomes a retriever of memories. Through his training with the Giver, he learned about the depth and range of human experience, including pain and pleasure, which leads him to question the value of society's imposed sameness and the true meaning of freedom. Next, character of the novel. 1. Jonas, the protagonist, a 12-year-old boy who is selected to be the new receiver of memory. As he receives memories from the giver, he becomes increasingly aware of the complexities and flaws in his society. 2. The giver, the, the current receiver of memory, an elderly man who transfers the collective memory of humanity to Jonas. He mentors Jonas and helps him understand the depth of human experience. 3. Gabriel, or Gabe, a baby who is taken in by Jonas' family. Jonas forms a deep bond with Gabe and eventually takes drastic steps to protect him. 4. Jonas' father, a nurturer who cares for infants. He is gentle and caring but also reveals the darker side of his role in the community. 5. Jonah's mother worked at Department of Justice. 6. Asher, Jonah's best friend, who is careful and cheerful. He is assigned the role of Assistant Director of Restoration. 7. Fiona, another friend of Jonas, who is assigned to work as a caretaker of the old. Jonas has feeling for her, which deepen as learn about emotion and love. And the last, Lily, Jonas' younger sister, who is curious and outspoken. Next, storyline. The story is set in a seemingly perfect but emotionally sterile community where everyone follows strict rules and societal norms. The protagonist, Jonas, is an 11 years old boy who lives in this community as he approaches the ceremony of 12, where children are assigned their lifelong jobs. Jonas feels apprehensive about what his assignment will be during the ceremony. He is selected to be the next achiever of memory, a highly respected position. Jonas begins his training with the current receiver, an elderly man who asks to be called the giver. The giver transfers memory of the past, which includes both beautiful and painful experience, to Jonas. Through these memories, Jonas learns about emotion, color, love, and the complexities of life, which is society has suppressed to maintain order and predictability. And as Jonas gained more memories, he became disillusioned with his community way of life and the lack of true emotion and freedom. He learned about the darker aspect of his society, including euthanasia, which the community practiced under the guise of release. Determined to change this, Jonas and the giver devised a plan for Jonas to escape the community, which would force the return of all the suppressed memories to the people. Thereby awakening them the realities of life. The novel ends with Jonas falling into unknown, holding on to the hope of reaching a place where people can experience life fully. Next, background the author. Lois Lowry, the author of The Giver, is an American writer born in 1993 in Honolulu, Hawaii. She is renowned for her contributing to children literature and has written more than 30 books for young adults. Laura's background is rich with experiences that have influenced her writing. 1. Early life and education. As a child of an army officer, Lowry moved frequently, which exposed her to different cultures and communities. This transit lifestyle contributed to her understanding of the first perspective and human experience. She graduated from Brown University and later completed her degree at the University of Southern Maine. 2. Literary career. Lowry began her career as a freelance journalist and photographer before transitioning to writing novel. Her first book is A Summer to Die. 3. Theme and influence. Lowry's work often tackle complex themes such as loss, memory, and the human condition, making her book resonate with both young and adult readers. 4. award and recognition. The giver won Newbery Medal in 1994, solidifying Laurie's reputation as a significant figure in the children's literature. The book's success led to the creation of quartets, including Gathering Blue, Messenger, and Son. And Lois Lowry background marked by a blend of personal experience and a deep understanding of human nature. Next, background of society. In Lowry's novel *The Giver*, the society depicted is a meticulously controlled dystopia where every aspect of life is regulated to maintain uniformity, predictability, and tranquility. The society background can be understood through several aspects. One, uh, government control and structure. Two, absence of emotional and memory. Three, sameness the uniform to the. Four, family and reproduction. Five, ritual and ceremonies. Six, euphemistic language. Seven, controlled environment. And the last is lack of freedom and choice. Next, morality. The Giver by Lauris is a thought-provoking novel that delves into the theme of morality through the lens of a dystopian society. The story is set in a community where emotions are suppressed and individuality is sacrificed for the sake of sameness and predictability. And morality explored in the novel include 1. The role of memory and experience. 2. Individual versus conformity. 3. The ethic of euthanasia. 4. Truth and deception. And the last is empathy and compassion. Overall, The Giver used its dystopian setting to explore complex moral questions, prompting readers to reflect on the nature of morality, the value of human experience, and the consequence of a society that sacrifices individuality and truth for the sake of uniformity and control. Next, ethic. The Giver explore a range of ethical issues. Primarily, truth is a depiction of a dystopian society that has eliminated pain, suffering, and emotional depth in favor of stability and conformity. Here are some of the ethical themes. 1. The cost of a controlled by society. 2. The role of memory and pain. 3. Euthanasia and the value of life. 4. Individuality versus conformity. And last, the ethic of knowledge and ignorance. Throughout of the journey of Jonas, the protagonist Laurie invites readers to reflect on these ethical issues and consider the complexities involved in creating a perfect society. Next, spirituality. Set in seemingly utopian society that has eliminated pain and strive by converting to sameness. The novel follows a young boy named Jonas. As Jonas retrieve memories of the past from the giver, he begins to understanding the complex of emotion, color, and sensation that his society has suppressed. And spiritual in the giver is reflect Jonas' awakening to the deeper meaning of life and the human experience. The memories has receivers encompass profound emotion and experience, symbolizing a deeper spiritual and emotional connection to life that transcends the sterile control environment of his community. This journey pushes Jonas to question the moral and ethical implication of his society choice, ultimately leading him to seek a more authentic and fulfilling existence. Next, social. As Jonas receives these memories, he begins to understand the deep and range of human experience, including pain, pleasure, love, and fear, which leads him to question the society rule and the lack of true freedom and individuality. The novel explores themes such as conformity, the role of memory, the importance of emotion, and complexity of human experience. Through Jonah's journey, the reader is invited to reflect on the value of individuality and the moral implication of a controlled, homogenized society. Next, politics. 1. Uh, totalitaris, uh, Totalitarianism. 2. Control and censorship. 3. Lack of individual freedom. 4. The illusion of utopia. 5. Rebellion and change. Through this element, the giver provides a commentary on the danger of extreme government control, the importance of individual freedom, and the need emotional deep in human society. Next, culture. Culture aspect of the society include 1. Uniformity and control. 2. Lack of emotion and choice. 3. Ritual and ceremonies. 4. Suppression of the past. And the last is euphemistic language. This cultural element create a seemingly utopian society that is revealed to the deeply flawed as a story progresses, highlighting theme of control, the importance of memory, and the value of individuality and emotional depth. Next, philosophical. The protagonist, Jonas, is selected to be a retriever of memories, a role in which they learn about the past and the range of human experience from an elder known as the giver. Through his training, Jonas discovered the depth and beauty of human emotion, the importance of individual experience, and the cost of living in a society that sacrifices freedom and authenticity for the sake of order and predictability. Um, uh, Philosophical theme in the giver includes 1. Memory and experience. 2. Individuality versus conformity. 3. The nature of happiness. 4. Ethic and morality. Next, psychological. Next, education. The giver Bill Lois Lawrence is often studied in educational setting due to its thought-provoking themes and narrative structure. It's categorized as a dystopian novel and follows the story of Jonas, who lives in a society where emotion and memories are suppressed. The novel explores concepts like individuality, freedom, and the consequence of a control of society. It's a great choice for a discussion on ethics, social structure, and the importance of memory and human experience. Next, novel synopsis. This novel tells the story of Jonas who endures memories of the pleasure of tribulation of life in the world after the sameness. The synopsis shows how this novel focuses on the theme of the pleasure and sorrow of life. And what do you like about this novel? I think this novel has the meaning of enjoying love, the pleasure of life, and how bland the world would be without those things. This novel also teaches that the pleasure of life will not come without being accompanied by misery of pain in life. And the next, the advantage of the novel compared to other novel. This novel has the advantage of showing how the pleasure of life will not come without being accompanied by misery and pain in life. This novel also has the advantage of showing of life is not only about pleasure, but also about misery and pain. And the next situation in novel that are still related to today life. This novel show how situations in the novel are still related to today's life, such as how pleasure of life will not come without being accompanied by misery and pain in life. And the last is the most memorable sentence in the novel. I think this novel has the most memorable sentence, such as the pleasure of life will not come without being accompanied by mystery and pain in life. And this sentence show how this novel focuses on the theme of the pleasure and sorrow of life. And I think that's all about review this novel. Thank you for listening.